when it comes to brick, just all the architecture, the fact that the back in the day, a lot of the designs you see on the buildings, they did that on site. But back in the day, they were very talented, and that's part of what we try to mimic. Well, there's a few things that I've been doing since the storm, like recreating terracotta pieces, things of that nature, um, in order to really get the project to the end, because you can't find those pieces anymore.
So you'll reconstruct an artistic piece,
Yes.
put it together
Yeah.
like something that you designed, or it just causes a great way to fill out an area so that
Yeah.
you can have a final finish that looks really good.
Yeah. Yeah, we started doing that this year, and it's been pretty cool. We are taking
There's a video.
down the chimney. We are reducing this chimney down at that's a church, I believe. But yeah, we probably took it all the way down to the second, where you see the second buckets.